Hey guys, my name is Jacob, and today you're going to learn how to submit a time card for a job on campus. All right, so you may know of the old way of doing things, which is through the portal, and you had the time entry page, and it was kind of old and block style. It wasn't super user-friendly. So we have a new way of doing things now, and it's through the self-service site. So there's two ways to get here. So you can either type in the address as a URL in a browser, and I'll just put that on the screen right now. The other way of getting there is similar to the old way. You have to go through the portal. So I'm going to be using Mozilla Firefox today. And so you can go ahead and go to the portal, which is portal.mvnu.edu, and just type in your normal student credentials as you always would. Hit enter, and it should take you to the portal. So once you are at the portal, you can go to the tab over here, which says Student Links. Click on that and click on Student Planning. This will bring up the self-service site. So this is where you will find the time entry. So go ahead and log in using your normal student credentials. Once again, the same stuff you use to log into the portal itself. And it'll take you to this screen, which is your student planning screen for like classes and stuff. This is obviously not what you need. So you go to the left-hand side of the screen, and you can expand the left side by clicking on the three lines at the top left. And now you can see there's an employment tab. Click on that, click on employee, and then you'll see time entry beneath there. So this screen is a lot easier to use than the old time entry was. So it just brings up all the weeks right now in a row. So your time cards are still bi-weekly. However, to enter your hours, you have a week by week entry. For instance, the week that we're in right now, it's March 30th through April 5th. If we click on that, it'll bring up this week. And this week is still part of a 2-week pay cycle though. You have to remember that. You have one row here, which is your time in, and then you have the next row, which is your time out. So let's go ahead and say we're here from 11 a.m. and we clocked out at 12 p.m. So if we click out of that box, now we have an in time of 11 and an out time of 12 p.m. for Monday, April 1st. Now you can see this little plus sign just got added here at the bottom of that column. That's in case you had 2 sets of hours on that day. And if you need to add that, just click on that plus, and then you have another set of in and out times for that day. So pretty self-explanatory, should be a much easier page to use than the previous time entry on the portal. Now from here, once you have all your hours entered in, you can either click on save or submit for approval. So it looks like it saves automatically, but if you want to just be extra safe, you can just click the save icon. So this is if you want to come back to it later, say you're not done, but you want to keep what hours that you put in already, hit the save icon. Now, if you are done with your time for that week and you have everything entered, you're ready to go and you're just ready, go ahead and click on submit for approval. And once you click on that, you cannot go back and you cannot edit your times anymore. If you made a mistake here, just make sure to talk to your supervisor and they will fix that for you. If you have any questions or concerns or something didn't make sense to you or you couldn't log in, something like that, contact us please with the information at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I hope that this was helpful. Thanks.